I always get questions related to journaling, and today I'll talk about my favorite unique 4 journaling prompts which you can start from 2024. So, without further ado, let's jump onto the video. So, this is my core journal. I started writing this journal when I first saw Walk to Remember, that is my favorite romantic movie. I love Nicholas Sparks' writing when it comes to, love and romance. I started writing all those quotes from that movie, which I liked most. But you can write anything. You can write motivational, you can write spiritual, you can write, I don't know, like anything, whatever you really like. I don't write this journal anymore, but I think I should start again because I get so much inspiration or so many ideas when it comes to writing a script for YouTube videos or for my client's video. Recently, I came across a quote that is from a movie called High Note. It says, it is all messy, the hair, the bed, the word, the heart. So yeah, I love this quote so much, and I think soon I should start writing this journal. Seasonal journaling is very unique prompt. Basically, you observe about the season, and after that season, you write about everything: your thoughts, your changes, your experiences, everything. If you are in India, you write about 6 seasons, but here in Sydney, we only get 4 seasons. 2-3 years back, I used to write this journal, and from last year, I started writing this journal. One thing I noticed, that is, wherever I stay, whenever fall and winter comes, I feel extremely uncomfortable. I feel cold in my overall life, not only physically. Mood is always off. I am not happy at all. But during spring and summer, I'm always happy. Things started falling into places. I go out more. I meet new people. Basically, I get my life back. So main motive of this journal is to observe your overall life during every season. I think this is very interesting journal, and after every year finishes, you can go back to this journal and you can see as a human how you evolved, how your nature changed. So I think this is one kind of, I can say this is one kind of self-improvement journal. This is one of my favorite journaling topics. I love self-discovery journaling. In this journaling, you write about yourself, what you have learned about yourself recently, or what are the insights or self-realization happened, or in 5 years, who you want to be, or what are the things you don't like about yourself, etc. You can write this day-to-day basis, or you can write monthly basis. I like to write it at the end of every month. I like to write about my growth or goal, or as a human being, what are the changes I made this month, etc. If you don't have any ideas, what are the questions you should ask yourself? I have lots of templates saved in my Pinterest. I'll put link in the description box, so you will get those questions ready. Whatever questions you like, you can pick those. This journal will help you to grow as a human being. You will get to know lots of things about yourself. So this journaling prompt is highly recommended. How much we talk about other people, but the sad truth is we are always hard on ourselves. We are the one who criticize ourselves most, but we hardly focus on what went wrong. Recently in a shoot, I said something to someone which I shouldn't have said. After coming home, I started blaming myself, why did I say this thing? And for a few days, I constantly started thinking, why did I say this thing? Then I realized instead of focusing on where I went wrong, I was asking myself, why did I do this? So I took this journal and started writing about my feelings and where I went wrong. And I told myself, it is okay, I won't repeat this again. I forgive myself. So the main motive of this journal is to Give yourself permission to forgive yourself and start it again. This is extremely comforting journaling. I will suggest everyone to try this at least once and you are going to love this. So these are my 4 unique journaling prompts. Hope you all like this video. If you have any suggestion, please comment down below. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.